Hi guys, a warm welcome to all of you to the second session of Beginners Google Spreadsheet. I'm your trainer Altaf. In today's session, we will be covering mostly three topics, that is sum, average and percentage. But before that, we will review some of the basic mathematical formulas and how to work them out on spreadsheet. Now, for example, as you can see, how to perform the basic addition function. Uh, The basic rule to apply any formula in spreadsheets is to use equal to symbol. After equal to, just select the cell that you want to add. In this case, I'm selecting cell B15. B is the column and 15 is the row here. After that, I'm pressing addition symbol and I'm selecting the neighboring cell, that is 4. Then press enter. Now sum of 100 plus 4 is 104. This is how a basic addition is done in spreadsheets. Now instead of using the cells, I can directly put numbers also. For example, I can directly put 100 plus 4 and that would still give me the answer. Now how to perform the basic subtraction? Even this involves a similar function where you use equal to symbol and you select the cell that you want to subtract it from. Select the symbol -4, press enter, it will give me 96. Advantage of using a cell rather than directly entering the number is if I change the number here, maybe 110, it will give me the new value because I selected the cell. Now the same thing will not be possible if I just enter the number. Now just look at the multiplication. Here also we'll use the same function. Select the cell that you want to multiply. The star mark, it symbolizes multiplication. Select the cell that you want to multiply it with and it will give you the answer. The same goes with the division. Select the cell that you want to divide. Select the division symbol, the second cell, and press enter. Now it has given us the values. So now this is how basic mathematical formulas are used in spreadsheets. Now let us look at sum function. Now how sum is used. So basically it will start with the same thing. Select the equal to symbol, then type sum, open the bracket and select all the cells that you want to add. In this case, I'm selecting the numbers present in C column, which are the scores achieved by the students out of 100. I want a sum of all these scores. Hence, I selected all the cells, that is from column C2 till C6. Now I will close the bracket and then enter. So it has given me the final total as 390. If I change any of the scores in this particular list, the number here will automatically change. Now I want to know the average score of all these students. I will use the formula equal to average. I'll select the same cell C2 to C6, then enter. So the average score for these students is 75. Now I want to understand the difference between the scores. The exam was conducted for 100 marks. The student has achieved 80 marks. I want to understand how much is the difference between the scores. Equal to 100 minus 80 will give me the difference, that is there's a difference of 20. Now the simpler thing when you have a larger list of students to deal with, all you can do is just double click at the edge of the cell. It will give you the difference of all these numbers. Now this is showing aspect value. The reason being there is no number mentioned here. I'll remove this. If you look, it has given me the accurate results. Every time you do not have to enter the formula, you can either drag it or just double click on the edge of the cell. Now this is the difference between the scores. Now I want to understand the percentage achieved by each student. Hence I will use equal to 80, that is what was achieved by the student, divided by 100. Now for me to convert this into percentage, I'll have to select the cell, and here on the top left what you can see is a percentage symbol which will convert the number into percentage format. Please click on it and it will become 80%. And to use the same formula for the other rows as well, all you have to do is just click at the end of the cell and double click it. The same values have been copied. This is how percentage is calculated. Hence in this session we have seen the basic formulas of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the major formulas of sum, average, and percentage. Thank you for tuning in.